A blessed day, the Black Retriever once again. We are here now at Velocity Bicycle Shop. Ang bagong lang shop dito sa Tagapo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Para i-bike check natin ang isang folding bike na bagong labas ni Aerowick. Yan po. The color of the folding bike is blue. I-check natin. But before that, magsa-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout tayo kay Devon Ilano. Yep, Breeze Cycling Vlog. Jessamay Argarin, ang kanilang Assistant General Manager. Siyempre kay Biyahe ni Joe. Sa ating kaibigan, our friend in Indonesia, Goweser Explore Jogja. Shoutout sa iyo, ride safe! Alright, simulan na po natin ang bike check. Simulan po natin sa kanyang frame. Ang kulay ng kanyang frame is glossy blue. Aerowick Space Folding Bike powered by Mountain Peak. Is na 60-61 alloy material. Si Mountain Peak po ang gumawa kay Aerowick. So talagang napakaganda ng kanyang forma at napakagaang, easy to fold. Okay, punta naman po tayo sa kanyang RD o ang tinatawag na rear derailleur. Is gawa po siya ni Microchip. At ang kanyang crank and arms is an alloy made by Aerowick. Naka 1x na siya, 1x lang. Cogs 11 teeth by 32 teeth, 9 speed. Okay, ang kanyang shifter is Microchip 1x9. Hydraulic brake by X-Part. At may bell na siyang kasama. Ang kanyang handlebar is Aerowick, is an alloy as well. Okay, hydraulic disc brake, rear and front. Ang rotor po niya ay 160 mm sa rear and front as well. So ang kanyang hubs naman is an alloy gawa ni Aerowick with a side stand. At ang kanyang clamp and seat post is an alloy as well by Aerowick. So ang kanyang saddle ay gawa rin ni Aerowick, ay napakaganda po, very smooth. Quick release both side. Ang kanyang pedal po ay folding pedal. Support naman niya is made by Aerowick, is an steel fork. Ang tire niya is a 20, size 20. Alright mga kabadyak, ayan po si Aerowick Space powered by Mountain Peak. Kung gusto niyo pong ma-avail si Aerowick, punta lang po kayo dito sa Velocity Bicycle Shop located at Tagapo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, don't forget to subscribe. Click the button bell for notification para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng aking mga videos na ginagawa. Mag-like, share at comment po tayo. Thank you very much. Share love!